broken fuel cap strap and filler neck drain on a Skoda Fabia Mark 1 99 to 2007. As you can see, the cord that attaches to the petrol cap is broken off completely, which, although you don't actually need it, is actually very useful, because when you take the petrol cap off and start fumbling about taking it off and then you drop it accidentally, it rolls underneath the car and disappears off down a grate somewhere, and then you're stuck. You end up having to roll a t-shirt up and bung it into the hole just to get home. The bit that attaches to the cap rotates freely, so I'll just take that off and have a look at it. See how that attaches. So it seems to fit into this slot somehow. So I ordered a new one which came this morning. Here it is. Let's have a look at it. Right, this end fits onto the cap door. It looks like this turret shaped clip thing slots into a hole on the door flap and simply clicks into place. And the cord's a rubber loop, so it rotates in a groove on top of the turret. And the other end fits into the cap. It's got little pegs in it. So how does that work? Right, if I put it next to it, now it looks like it goes in this slot, and there's little plastic pegs that seem to go right through. So maybe you just slide those out. Yep, I think that's what they are. Anyway, while the cap's off, I'll just have a look at this. Oh, it's all mucky around here and there's a little drain hole in there somewhere. I'll see if I can clean that out. Right, I've cleaned that out. And this muck seems to be stuck onto the rubber. That should work now. I'll put some liquid on. Oh, a bit of brake cleaner on. See if that goes down. Oh, it doesn't. Clean it up with a brush. This muck is definitely stuck to the rubber. Just spray it again. It's still not going down. Oh, it's little bubbles. It might be going down. I think I need to have something a bit longer than this screwdriver. I think a long piece of wire would be better. So that's what I'll do. Put this bit of wire down. Don't know how far it'll go. It's going further down. Keeping going. It's gone down about 18 inches so far. Just spray it again. Ah, it's definitely working now. It's clearing it. I wonder where the wire's going. I think I'll have a look and see where the wire's coming out. It's gone about over 2 foot now. Scroll under here now. That's the filler tube, and there's the pipe next to it. I don't think it's that. I pushed it longer than that. Where is it? Ah, it's here. It's round the back. There's another pipe. So I never knew that. That's quite interesting. Learn something new every day. Yeah, it's definitely working now. So I've sorted that problem out. It'll at least stop the diesel going down the side of my car. Right, I'll look at this clip now. It looks like you just push together in at the bottom and then just push it out. There's these two plastic moulded sections that spring in on each side. So the new one will just push into the hole. Just like that. Right, I'll do the cap end. Oh, I'll have to take this out first and take it inside. Right, how to get these little pegs out. I think if I push them out, I'll better push them sort of halfway out and into the surrounding plastic without actually taking them completely out, because they're a little bit fiddly, and then reuse them for the new one. So I'll have a go. I think this screwdriver's a little bit big. I'll use my littler one. Use one of these micro screwdrivers with a sort of blunt Phillips end. Push it and hold it. Hold the pin so it don't come out just a little bit, and see if I can do it. Right, I've got it half out. I'll do the first one again a little bit more and just control it. I think I might be able to do this. Right, well the end bit's rubber, so it should probably bend out a little bit. So let's have a look. Yeah, one side's out. Push the pegs a little bit more. And the other. Perfect. Just take the pegs out of the new end. You've got to have little fingers for this, really. So that's the hole it's going in. Just push it in and then I'll put the pegs down. Put the pegs through the band and back in to place. Hopefully they'll go in straight. Oh yeah, going in easily now. I can just push the last bit in with my screwdriver. There we go, nice and flush. Can hardly tell. Perfect. Brilliant. The lead's made of rubber, of course. Nice and secure. Put that on the car now. Right, put the cap on. Push the clip into the little hole on the door flap. And we're done. I've been meaning to do that for a long while, as I don't want to lose the cap down the drain. And it just looks embarrassing if you drop the cap on the floor in the garage forecourt. Everyone will look round while you're scrabbling underneath your car. Most embarrassing. So there we are, job sorted. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.